Hi everyone, welcome back to my Healthy Lifestyle Vlogs YouTube channel. Today we are talking about healthy lifestyle benefits. Number 1, healthy diet includes fruit, plants, and vegetables of many colors for good fats and lean proteins. Eating healthfully also means avoid food with high amount of added salt and sugar. Weight loss. Losing weight can help to reduce the risk of serious conditions. If person is overweight or obese, they have a higher risk of medical conditions, including they face heart problems, bone problems, and weakness, and diabetes. Whole vegetables and fruits is lower in calories than most processed foods. A person looking to lose weight should reduce their calorie intake to no more than what they require each day. Maintain healthful diet free from processed food can help a person to stay within their daily limit without having to count calories. Fiber is one element of healthful diet that is very important for manage your weight. Maintain your healthy food diet plan. Manage your time for regular exercise for your daily routine. If you want to lose weight, daily routine exercise and healthy food is very important for you. If you want to see my more videos, like my videos and share my with your friends and family and subscribe this YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more latest videos. See you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.